This vile-looking slop you dare to serve us caused my brother to upset me!
Sorry, I deeply apologize, sir.
Now don't you move an inch, Cosette. Are you trying to leave a scar on a lady's face? Stabilize blood pressure. They're very nutritious. I assume, due to your noble status, this fine confit was carefully selected and prepared. It's an awfully elaborate dish to make for breakfast.